Jesus Christ. This kickstand's down. Your kickstand! Hamburger! 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 Bongo! 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 Bam 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 da 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 da. Oh, ah!
Speed! He is fast! He is speed! Speed is the name of the game! Speed! He obtains the speed. I am speed. He is speed. We are speed warriors. Speed racists. Speed racers. Speed racers.
7-Eleven! 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 To 7-Eleven!
Womp 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 womp. Womp womp.
What? Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
It's like these streets were engineered for people to not go fast. They're really bumpy. They got bumps in them. And when you accelerate in speed, those bumps tend to turn into little whoopity whoops, you know? Those bumps are not bumps, they are whoopity whoops. And you got to be very careful so you don't loop-diddy loop. Remember folks, whoop-diddy whoops turn into loop-de loops, and that's not good. It's not good for your health.
A fucking little. Yeah. Well, she's looking okay. Well, she didn't have a pool before, so I'm alright with that. Right? Let's run home.
Oh no. I put it in fucking neutral. Is it starting to rain? Oh, I think so. Yeah, it is. Good thing I'm going home now. It's starting to rain. Oh, this smells good. Feels nice. What a nice little intro to summer we got going on here. Well, you got spring. April flowers bring May showers. May showers bring April flowers. That means I'm gonna have weeds in my backyard. That's what that means. This is like an unprecedented summer, spring, whatever the fuck you want to call it for Arizona. Because usually, and it kind of was already, but usually it's hot as fuck around this time. But it's not that bad right now. And I'm okay with that. I am very okay with that. Low-key, even though it's a little on the dangerous side, one of my favorite things to do is to ride in the rain. Oh, it's a vibe, bro. It's such a vibe. Just the smells, the feeling, the coolness, the freeness of it. Oh, it's so good. And one just went like a raindrop just went through one of my vents in my helmet. So good. Hit me right in the noggin. The bike likes it too. It's running at 199, baby. That's below operating temp, baby. That's what we like to see. Yeah. Oh, she's starting to come down, buddy. Oh. It is like officially raining. Kind of just a sprinkle before, but now it's wet. The road is wet. Wet road. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, car pulled over. Someone did big bad. Someone did big bad. This is like the perfect level of rain right here. No more. Maybe a little bit less, but no more. No more rain. This is good. Especially when it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it brings the temperature down really, really, really nicely. That's what I like. Just gotta keep in mind, when the roads are wet, when the earth is wet and juicy, and especially if you don't got traction control or ABS, you gotta be real careful in these conditions. Take your time. Be considerate. Touch the throttle like it's something you love, not something you hate. Be gentle with it. Speak to it softly. Say, hey, I want to slow down. With the throttle, you say, hey, let's get moving a little bit. Let's take a step forward. Let's move us in the right direction. Because like with all relationships, if you do the wrong thing, you might get like a broken leg or some road rash or something. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. The weeboo-woos. 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 Yeah, they've been moving. We don't have to stop. Look at that, Miata. You don't have to stop on the other side of the road, assholes. And stay off those fucking steel plates. Holy shit. And these fucking line stripes, go straight on them. For the love of God, go straight on those.